Introducing the StonyLab Flask, a class of volumetric flask crafted from durable borosilicate glass with a capacity of 500 milliliters and a tolerance of just 0.25 milliliters. This flask allows you to prepare accurate solutions with confidence. Hand-blown for optimal performance and equipped with a glass stopper, it can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. Trust StonyLab for premium quality and customer service. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the iplusmile flask, the perfect science companion for your experiments and daily use. Made from durable, thickened polypropylene plastic, this transparent conical bottle is strong, shatter-resistant, and reusable. Its clear design with engraved markings makes measuring liquids simple and precise. With a wide bottom for stability and excellent stirring features, it's ideal for labs, classrooms, or home projects. This set includes 5 milliliter bottles, versatile and easy to handle. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the wanwanper Distillation Kit, the perfect choice for all your scientific experiments and II projects. Made from high-quality, high borosilicate glass and sturdy iron, this kit is durable and heat-resistant. It features a large capacity of 500 milliliters and 100 milliliters with precise measuring tools and a clear thermometer for perfect control. Whether you're separating liquids or purifying compounds, this multifunction kit is easy to use and safe. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the StonyLab Flask, the perfect choice for all your laboratory experiments and processes. With a capacity of 500 milliliters, this durable borosilicate glass flask is designed to withstand harsh temperature changes up to 450 degrees Celsius and sudden differences up to 140 degrees Celsius. Its 2440 standard taper outer joint ensures easy connection with compatible equipment. Reliable performance. The StonyLab Flask is your trusted partner in chemistry. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Labasics Dewar flask, the perfect solution for all your laboratory liquid storage needs. With a generous 1000 milliliters capacity, this versatile flask is excellent for storing liquid gases, conducting low-temperature research, and protecting crystalline components. Its premium design features an aluminum outer shell and a high borosilicate glass vacuum-silvered liner for superior insulation and sealing. Always prioritize safety by using protective eyewear and safety devices. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the StonyLab Erlenmeyer flask, a versatile laboratory essential designed for every scientist. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it's reusable, high quality, and perfect for reactions, storage, or collection. Available in multiple sizes from 50 milliliters to 1000 milliliters, this 24mm by 40mm standard taper outer joint Erlenmeyer flask comes with glass stopper for secure sealing. Crafted by StonyLab, it promises reliable performance and excellent customer support. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the StonyLab 3-neck flask, the perfect tool for your chemistry experiments. With a capacity of 2000 milliliters, it features a versatile 3-neck design for heating, feeding, and measuring all at once. Crafted from high borosilicate glass, it's resistant to acids and alkalis, withstanding temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. Its smooth, transparent surface ensures precision and reliability. Built for durability and plus 1-year warranty for peace of mind. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.